Of Aviation Brothers, and today we're going to be flying an Airbus beluga. Both of us are going to be flying Airbus belugas, and we're going to be seeing who can do the best butter on to pass. So let's do this, bro. Get in your plane, man!
Starting.
Get in your plane.
Okay.
Oh my god. Connect it. He's gone out of his plane now, so just fly into the ocean for me so I can get him right away. Okay, I'm going now. Oh my god, get in your plane! Jesus Christ. Alright, perfect.
Oh my god. Oh, I'm stalling. Whatever.
Okay, I'm gonna start. I'm gonna go now.
Oh my god, get in your plane!
Watch it, dealer. Taking a piss, I'll be standing here for 30 minutes. Watch it, dealer. Taking a piss, I'll be standing here. I need my thing. I'm outside pet store home, can I find my dealer? He's in a box with a Zafira, custom rims and a half a litre engine, but I just keep forgetting. I kinda wanna sell him, but I've already sold him. He gets annoyed at how much I sell him. I just wanna tell him, what is the ETA? I've been here pretending to be on my phone.
Oh god,
Oh my
what
god! Oh my god!
approach.
What?
This was a really bad approach.
Bro, wait! Oh my god, bro.
I'm landing now.
70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20.
I'm being escorted. What? Oh my god. Oh, I'm stalling.
Okay.
That was a literal. Oh, no!
Run, wait.
Gonna do this.
Absolutely sick.
Come here, daddy. Anyway,
What the hell?
thank you guys for watching the first video of the Aviation Brothers. It's obvious that kinetic is better than. We'll see you in the next video, and peace.